The packets need not be sent in same sequence. Packet 3 is sent. It is on the way, not yet reached the destination. Later, packet 4 is sent and it reached the destination without any problem, whereas lastly packet 2 is sent. So, packets need not be sent in same sequence. So, packet 2 is also on the way, not yet reached the destination. Here we have to remember one point. If any packet does not reach the destination, then the destination computer sends a message to source computer that so and so packet is missing. Whatever be the packet that is missing, that packet number will be sent by destination computer, so that source computer sends only that particular packet. In this way, TCP/IP works. Now, let us see what are the contents of packet. Every packet consists of a piece of message. We know that a packet is nothing but a piece of message, because entire message is divided into number of packets. So, naturally a packet consists of a piece of message. Similarly, source computer information and destination computer information, that is where from it is going and to where it is going. So, it also contains the addresses of source computer and also destination computer, and also the sequence number that is used while reassembling the message. Lastly, error information is also there in each and every packet. Using this error checking information, we can determine the corruption of the packet. If any packet is corrupted or missing, that particular packet will be re-requested, so that that particular packet will be resent by source computer. So, this is what the content of each packet. Now, let us see the advantages of packets. Load distribution. First and foremost advantage of a packet is load distribution. That is nothing but, if a portion of network is busy, the packets can be rerouted, that is they may be sent in another direction. Second one is flexibility. Here also, if a portion of network is down, the packets may be rerouted, that is they may be sent in another direction. And the last advantage is error recovery, that is if any packet is corrupted or not received, then only that particular packet will be requested for. Now, it is question time. I would like to ask one question. The students of Government Degree College for Women, Kakinada, students of Government Degree College for Women, Kakinada, please respond to this question. What is a protocol? What is protocol? I request students of Government Degree College for Women, Kakinada, please respond to this question. Telephone numbers are displayed at the bottom, they are scrolling. So, please go through them. It costs nothing to you because they are toll free numbers. Now, let us continue with the topic. Now, let us see the next point here, network communications. How to establish connections among computers. Similarly, how to establish connection with the internet. That is what we are going to see here. Whenever we want to establish a connection between two computers, we make use of what is called network interface card. So, network interface cards establish connection in between two computers. Hello? Hello? Hello?
Hello?
Hello? చెప్పండి. మీ టీవీ వాల్యూమ్ తగ్గించండి.
హలో
హలో, మీ టీవీ వాల్యూమ్ తగ్గించండి.
హలో
హలో, చెప్పమ్మా.
హలో
హలో,
గుడ్ మార్నింగ్ సార్.
గుడ్ మార్నింగ్ అమ్మా. హలో, చెప్పండి అమ్మా.
గుడ్ మార్నింగ్ సార్.
గుడ్ మార్నింగ్. You are from?
Nirosha sir.
Okay. You are from?
KS Degree Government College, sir.
Okay.
Kakinada, sir.
Okay. Chappanamma. I have asked you one question. What is protocol?
అవును, sir.
Yes.
A set of guidelines, sir.
A set of guidelines. Yes.
Ah.
That are followed while sending a message from one computer to another
One computer to another computer, sir.
Another computer. And
Yes.
one more thing.
A set of guidelines.
Yes.
One computer to another computer.
Yes. And all the computers speak common language.
అవును, sir.
Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Okay. Now let us see. Let us continue here. Whenever we want to establish an interconnection between two computers, we make use of what is called network interface cards. Using these cards, a connection between two computers can be established. And the speed of these network interface cards is very high, that is almost 56 kilobits per second. Data transfer rate is expressed in terms of number of bits per second, also called baud rate, in which the network interface card speed is 56 kilobits per second. So, network interface cards are used to connect two computers. However, whenever we want to connect to the internet, that is whenever a system is to be connected to the internet, we can connect to the internet either using a modem or using ISDN. A modem is nothing but a device called modulator and demodulator. That is, it converts signals from digital to analog and also from analog to digital. Because computer is electronic device which understands only digital signals, whereas telephone lines which are analog, so the signals are to be converted from analog to digital and vice versa, digital to analog. For this purpose, we make use of what is called modulator and demodulator, simply called modem, the speed of which is very slow, that is its data transfer rate is simply 28.8 kilobits per second. And this one also uses, using telephone lines only, using modem we can connect it to the internet. And the second method of connecting to the internet is ISDN, that is integrated services digital network. In this method, we make use of a special adapter and it also uses telephone lines and we connect it to the internet, and its speed is 5 times more than that of ordinary modem. So, naturally we can understand it is faster than our traditional modem. Let us see how these things work. For example, if we want to connect this computer with this computer, how to establish connections between these two? A modem is required here because computer is a digital device. In order to convert these digital signals into analog signals, a modem is required. Later on, modem is connected to telephone lines. Lastly, we connect to the modem of internet service provider, and internet service provider connects to network service provider. Later, network service provider using satellite communications or using optical fiber cables lastly connects to the destination computer. So, in this way communications are established. So, whenever we want to connect a computer to the internet, using the modem only it is possible. So, here let us see, internet service provider makes use of leased lines to connect to network service provider. Network service provider makes use of satellite communications and say fiber optic cables, so that large amounts of data can be transmitted from one place to another place. Similarly, he can transmit at a very high speeds, that is one advantage. So, if we see here, there is a message which is split into number of pieces. Hello, 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 hello.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
సార్ మేము పుంగనూరు శుభారావు డిగ్రీ కాలేజ్ నుంచి మాట్లాడుతాను సార్.
చెప్పండి అమ్మా. మీ టీవీ వాల్యూమ్ తగ్గించండి.
ఇంటర్నెట్ కి డిఫరెన్స్ చెప్పండి సార్.
అమ్మా
ఇంటర్నెట్ కి ఇంట్రానెట్ కి సార్ డిఫరెన్స్.
Intranet is a local one which is meant for organizational purpose. There are several terms like intranet and extranet. Privileged users can access it, whereas internet is meant for general public where everyone can access and share resources. That is the difference between intranet and internet. Now let us continue here. See here, messages are moving from source computer to destination computer. First of all, they go to the modem, move through the telephone lines, reach the modem of internet service provider, go through the network of network service provider, then router guides them towards destination computer. In this way, the packets move on. So we have seen how network connections can be established. Now let us move on to next topic, that is IP addresses. We know that every computer, every device that is connected to the internet must have a name. Such name is generally symbolic name. It is something like a telephone number. Every telephone that has a connection must have a number. Similarly, here also, even though there are symbolic names, such symbolic names are converted into numeric names. Such numeric names are called IP addresses. So IP address is nothing but a number using which every computer can be identified very uniquely. And IP address consists of two parts. One is network ID and second one is host ID. In order to identify a particular network, we use network ID. In order to identify a host computer, that is a particular computer on that particular network, we make use of host ID. And this one consists of 4 bytes. IP address consists of 4 bytes, that is nothing but 32 bits are there, and each byte has a value in between 0 and 255, and each value, that is each byte value, is separated by a dot. For example, see here, there are 4 numbers, each is less than maximum value 255 and are separated by a dot. In this way, we are going to see about these IP addresses in the next class. Now let us move on to last topic in this chapter, that is web page retrieval. How the web page is retrieved. We specify the address of the web page in the address bar of the browser. That web page is also known as, that is address of the web page is also known as URL, that is Uniform Resource Locator, that is mentioned in address bar. This URL consists of 3 parts. One is how, second one is where, and third one is what. Generally, the protocol is specified here. How part specifies the protocol that is to be used, whether HTTP or FTP. In this way, what is the protocol that is to be used? The where part specifies name of the host, host name is specified, and what part specifies what is the web page we want. For example, let us see here, there is a simple example, microsoft.com/msdn.html. In this HTTP represents how part, that is what is the protocol to be used, and this one microsoft.com is known as name of the host, host name. So where part specifies name of the host. Once host name is known, it is converted into appropriate IP address. Then TCP connection is established with the host. Once TCP connection is established, what is the web page we want? It is msdn.html. That particular web page will be retrieved. Once it is retrieved, TCP connection will be closed. So in this way, once a web page is retrieved by the browser, it will be rendered and presented to the user. So today we learned about what is internet, history of the internet, and the way the internet works. Thank you.